In this video, I will show you how to create an account and apply to the Amazon Flex driver sign up. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead to your Play or App Store and download Amazon Flex. I'm going to go ahead, I'll search for Amazon Flex. It's this one here. So I'm going to click into it. It's got 4.1 star rating, 500,000 plus downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and click install. So I'll pause this video and get back to you once that is done. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and click on open. And now from here you can sign in with your Amazon account or create a new account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign in with my current Amazon account. Once you've done that, you put in your email address and password, click on sign in. They might send a security code to your email address, so go ahead and grab that and pop that in. So I'm inside my email address. Here it is here. So where's the code? There's the code there. So I'm going to copy this code and paste this submit code. Alright, now it's going to sign me in. Alright, then you'll come to this page here, permissions. So the following permissions are required to deliver with Amazon Flex. So you need to allow access to your current location, camera access, need your phone number and activity, and you need a call phone to auto dial phone numbers. So once you've clicked on to continue, and now click on while using the app, allow and allow, click all them. Once that is done, you'll be brought to this page here. So you need to check your requirements below to make sure you're eligible. So you need a full unrestricted Australian driver's license, a qualifying vehicle, an ABN number, an Australian bank account. But if you're doing this in a different country, it could be American or whatever. These questions might vary depending what country or region you're in. So just go ahead and make sure you got all those ticked like so. And then click on get started. If none of these are ticked, you cannot continue. So you got to make sure you qualify for all the things they need you to qualify for. And then once done that, click on get started. And then they'll ask you what type of car you got. So at the moment in Australia, they're looking for drivers with one of the below vehicle types to deliver for Amazon. So sedans, large passenger vehicles, or cargo vans. So click on continue. And now select what type of vehicle you're going to be using. So I'm just going to put in a sedan and then click continue. And then you need to select your region. Like I said, I'm in Australia, so I'm going to click in particular Adelaide. So I'm going to choose Adelaide. I'm going to click continue. And then you'll be brought to this page here. So it will say, thank you for your interest. Thank you for your interest in being a delivery partner for Amazon Flex. We will notify you by email when we resume onboarding additional delivery partners in your region. So you might get this, you might get accepted straight away, just depending what region you're in. And if you do get this message, just keep an eye out for your emails. Could take a few days, a few weeks, or up to a month to be accepted, or to see if you are accepted into it or not. And leave comments down below to let us know how long it did take you guys to be accepted into Amazon Flex delivery driver program as well.